Welcome to the online course Stylistics. The first lecture is devoted to the lexical stylistics, stylistic classification of the English vocabulary. Before we start, I'd like to ask you, what is the most frequently used word in English? Have you ever thought about it? Just take your time and think. Write down as many examples as you could remember. Okay, well done. So the answer is the following. It's very expectable, so the golden goblet or the first place goes to the article there. The second place goes to B, and the third goes to 2. I suppose that you have all 3 variants. I'm really proud of you. So the English word stock or standard English vocabulary, you can use them interchangeably. It's quite the same thing. It can be divided into 3 layers. They are the following: the literally, neutral, and colloquial. So the biggest one is neutral. It means that people tend to use words that are not positive or negative in their meaning. They are not bad or good, they are neutral. And mind that the literally and colloquial layers have their subgroups. And one more important point to share with you. You understand that sometimes a lot of trends pass and change. And because of that, some words change their layers, they penetrate into other ones. For example, the word guys. Before, it was used, or it was supposed to be used, meaning only male, boys, or men. The gender was really important. It was impossible to call a girl or girls guys. But as you see nowadays, we could easily use this word calling the group of girls and boys all together. Okay, the following 3 columns in detail show you quite the same meaning of 3 words. Yeah, just have a look, and when you have time, please write down the new ones for you and learn them by heart. And on our online lecture, we'll discuss them all together. Okay, so it's very important to understand and remember that the boundaries between layers are sometimes really blurred. As an old photo, it means that sometimes it's not easy or impossible to say which word belongs to which layer exactly. Sometimes it could be also a lower range of literary words and neutral layer, or upper range of colloquial words turn into a neutral layer. So you understand that talking about the text, it doesn't matter which one, the genre or the style, the period of time when it was written is really important. To understand the word, you should understand the period of time when it was used. Okay, so we go further. The literary layer falls into following subgroups. Have a look: common literary, terms and learned words, poetic, archaic, barbarisms, literary coinages. I suppose most of them are familiar, but anyway, we will discuss them now in detail. Okay, so common literary words are used in writing and public speech. If used in a private situation, the humorous effect is produced. So have a look, there is a good example showing this. They called into requisition the services of the physicist. Okay, requisition. Just have a look, the translation in your vocabularies, and you will understand why the whole sentence sounds a little bit just in humorous effect, yeah? It's not ordinary way of people speaking. Okay, so terms and learned words are used in science, physics, chemistry. Okay, if used in another sphere, the true-to-life atmosphere is produced. So that's very important. I mean, when you read a book, you understand that, for example, this person works as a doctor because some terms, medical terms, are used, or just another character must be, I don't know, the policeman because the word evidence was used, something like that. It's very important. And the third subgroup, poetic words, they are used in writing, intentionally seeking a literary tone. The words like blade or farewell. So you understand them, yeah? They could be found in some poems. They sound really beautiful. They remind us, maybe, there are some reminiscences with the period of a royal reign, something like that. For example, if you are the fan of Harry Potter's book, you could find a lot of poetic words there, like goblet too, yeah? Okay, thank you. So here we should stop and please switch on the second part of our online lecture, and we will continue talking about the English word stock. Now, thank you for your attention. See you. Bye.